Have you ever dreamed about booking a cruise with your own private hot tub on the balcony? We'll show you a great room choice on board MSC Meraviglia that will make your dream come true for much less than you might have expected. Coming up on Talking Cruise. Hi, this is Chris Cardona. If you follow my cruise ship room tour videos, you know I like to book unique rooms when I cruise. For my latest experience on board MSC Meraviglia, I booked one of the forward-facing Whirlpool Aria suites. There are 10 of these suites, each located all the way forward on the starboard and port sides of deck 9 through 13. Each offers the same general configuration, but my suite number 12007 as well as 12010 on deck 12 are the largest. In fact, starting the summer of 2020, MSC has recategorized these two rooms as grand suites with Whirlpool. The size of these suites, that all sleep up to 4 guests, ranges from approximately 300 square feet to over 400 square feet for the ones on deck 12. My suite featured a large living room that is separate from the master bedroom. The area, which is about the size of a standard stateroom on its own, has a desk console with mirror, mini fridge, telephone, television, 2 standard power outlets, and unfortunately, the suite's only USB outlet. The sofa converts into a traditional double bed, and there is also a walkout to the balcony. Like many of MSC's suites, this one offers a walk-in closet with lots of hanging space and drawers. The completely separate master bedroom has a queen-size bed and a closet with hanging space, drawers, shelves, and safe. There is also another television and a second walkout to the balcony. Unfortunately, there are no USB outlets in the master bedroom and only a single European-type power outlet next to the bed. The master also has its own independent temperature controls. The suite's single bathroom has a sink, toilet, and glass-enclosed shower. I've mentioned this before, but MSC needs to make the bathrooms in their suites larger. Getting in and out of the shower was a task, and the position of the toilet was tight. I'd give up some or all of the walk-in closet space for a larger bathroom. The main reason to book this room is for the balcony, and it did not disappoint. Firstly, it's absolutely huge, with a full corner wraparound giving you forward and side views. You'll find 2 loungers and 2 chairs to enjoy on those sea days. The Whirlpool was fantastic. Unlike the ones offered on MSC Seaside, which are really more of a bathtub, this one has a built-in filter and heater to keep the water clear and the temperature optimal. There are also plenty of jets, a contoured lounger, seat with massage, and another seat with waterfall. In case you're wondering, you can use this Whirlpool while the ship is at sea thanks to the glass windscreen that reduces the wind in that area of the balcony. These Whirlpool suites are designated for the Aria Experience. This experience includes 2 free massages per room, unlimited access to the Aria Spa thermal area, and the exclusive Top 19 Aria Sun Deck. Aria guests also receive an included beverage package, priority boarding, and my choice open seating dining. I'd definitely book this room again, especially factoring in the size, inclusion of the Aria Experience, and that amazing Whirlpool. Plus, even though these suites don't offer upgraded finishes from regular rooms, if you compare this type of accommodation to other cruise lines' Whirlpool suites, the price difference is substantial. If this room is on your radar, book it as early as possible or as soon as new sailings open.